Hello, what's up you guys? It's me, Mandy. Okay, so today I'll be doing a very quick and easy, probably less than 5 minutes, maybe 5 or less items, everyday makeup look. So this is like my usual go-to. So yeah, let's get started. Alright guys, so let's for the base, normally I would just use a primer. This is from Essence Fresh and Fit Awake primer. So the reason why I'm using this because it's pretty. It's like a very luminous, like I don't know if y'all can see, but it's like shimmery, shim. But yeah, just slap this on my face. So yeah, that's the, as you can see, there's like glow, like natural glow going on. It's a win-win situation using this primer, to be honest. So next, I use this, which is Tarte blusher in Parte. This is the color, by the way. But this is the color. Nice. I will use it for two functions, one for the eyes and one for the cheeks. So you know, quick and easy, right? So cheeks, I like that it gives me like the cute little flush. As you can see, like the difference between here and here, right? This is like slightly pink and this is like, you know, dead. This is like alive. So let me just continue. I would just normally stamp my blusher. Y'all can use as much as y'all want, but like, I don't know, I love this one. It's spicy, but it's like in a good way, you know. It does function in a good way. So as you can see, it's like cute, like natural. It's like so natural. All right. So yeah, that is for the cheeks. However, for my eyes, I just use my finger. You know, yeah, like, clean fingers, and like just, you know. I don't know if you can see the difference, but like the pink, dead, pink, dead. It's been a while, huh? By the way, I am currently busy with assignments. Online classes is like killing me. I will try and do, like, I have several assembling toys that I have that I'm currently just piling up at like one corner. Also, I have like several makeups to try on. Like I bought, oh really, I'm so excited about it. Happened to buy a liquid blusher. I've never tried a liquid blusher before, but like, I'm so excited to try that. I don't know, I love to buy a blusher these days, but you know. So I have like several other makeup items that I will review. I mean, give first impressions. I haven't like opened any of them because like I want to do it in front of you guys. So yeah, that's just, I mean, I have to do that when I'm like having a semester break. So I hope you guys can like wait for me. So that's like on my eyes. See, quick and easy while talking with you guys. So let's now move on to a highlighter. Sometimes I would use this on my eyes, but normally on my cheeks, eyes when I feel like it. But this one I will be putting it in my inner corner, like that. Oh yeah, by the way, I'm using this one, and this is from Essence Glow to Go. Love this palette. It's like I've been using it too many times, but still, you know, Okay, so I'm gonna use it on my cheeks. Yo. So on my nose. Ooh. Alright, so that's that. The fourth item would be mascara, because like your girls like no lashes whatsoever. Yeah, it's not like you know, obvious or something, but like natural, but not so. So now let's move on to the last item and the last process of my usual makeup, which is, oh, by the way, that's Essence Get Big Lashes Volume Boost Mascara. Sorry. And the last item would be the lipstick from I Love Black Moon. This Black Moon lipstick in Libra. It's like my usual go-to. Your girl is done. That is all. So when I say 5 minutes, including the self pep talk and all that shiznits, it is about 5, you know, minus all those things, it is 5 minutes, right? 5 to 10 minutes. It's like easy peasy, pumpkin peasy kind of style. But yeah, this is my, I would say natural, but my everyday makeup. Alright guys, so this is like my final look, like natural, subtle, easy, quick and easy everyday makeup look. So I'm gonna do my presentation now. So I hope you guys will pray for my situation to get an A. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. Sorry for not uploading more, so busy. But yeah, I hope you guys can support me by subscribing to this channel, like this video, watch and like other videos, and yeah, click the bell button for notification, yo. I'm gonna get pumped up by it, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Oh yeah, follow me on Twitch, and yeah, Twitch. Link will be available down below probably. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.